Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how to add different kind of effects behind the character. Let's get started. So this is what we're trying to create. Let's get started. First, get your clip ready. Split it where you want the effects to start. Now duplicate the clip and move it to an overlay. And adjust it exactly under it. Now go to Remove BG. Press on Custom Removal. Now pick a brush size that suits you best and start coloring in the character. I'm going to speed this up. By the way, I don't have CAPCUT Pro. I use the normal CAPCUT. Some of y'all thought I used CAPCUT Pro, so I'm just clearing this up. You can use the eraser to erase any mistakes. And we're done with that. Now go to Overlay and press Add Overlay. Screen record this. And adjust the overlay. Press on the overlay, then go to Splice. And choose Lighten. Adjust the overlay to fit in the screen. Now go to Layers. Here we are going to swap the layers between the other overlay, just like this. Now you have the firework effect behind the character. Press on the firework overlay, then go to Animations and press on Fade In. You can change the color of the fireworks by going to Adjust, then HSL. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. You can change it to anything you like. Press on Overlay. Screen record this. Adjust it. Go to Splice and choose Lighten again. Go to layers and make the clip go behind the character. Export the video, then go back. Go to overlay and add the video you just exported. Make sure to split the overlay like the main video. Replace everything with that clip that you exported. Press on main track to move it to the main video. Press on the second clip and change the speed to 0.5 by. Go to speed, normal, then smooth, slow-mo, and better quality. Export the video and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you understood this tutorial and want another one, then comment down below what the next tutorial should be about. Also make sure to subscribe and like the video so I can get more motivation for making more videos like this. Anyways, bye-bye. Have a nice day.